Just a week after resigning as the Delhi Congress chief, Arvinder Singh Lovely, along with 5 other Congress leaders, has joined the BJP. Lovely lashed out at the Congress and said that he was inspired by Indira Gandhi's Khoon Ka Khatra speech, and that's why he joined the party. But now the Grand Old Party has gone from Khatra party to a Tukde party. He added that the Congress High Command didn't care for the party and nobody from the party called and tried to convince him to stay. Lovely resigned from Congress on the 28th of April and cited the Grand Old Party's alliance with AAP for Lok Sabha polls as the reason behind his resignation, alleging that Delhi Congress unit had opposed the alliance with a party that had levied false, fabricated and malicious corruption charges against the Congress, and despite of this, the party proceeded to form an alliance with AAP in the national capital.
उस इस्तीफे के बाद तमाम अपने साथियों से मैं मिला था। हजारों कांग्रेस कार्यकर्ता जो हम सब लोगों के साथ दिल्ली की 70 विधानसभाओं में जुड़े हुए हैं। मैंने ईमानदारी से फैसला सोचा था कि इस्तीफा देने के बाद घर बैठूंगा। उन तमाम लोगों ने कहा कि आपको घर नहीं बैठना है, दिल्ली और देश की लड़ाई को लड़ने के लिए एक ऐसी सशक्त पार्टी में जाना है और उसमें दिल्ली के लोगों की लड़ाई जो है आपको लड़नी है। तो इसलिए हम तमाम साथियों ने, और हम केवल आज हम ये 5 साथी नहीं है, एक लंबा काफिला है जिन्होंने ये तय किया है। आने वाले समय में आप देखोगे कि नरेंद्र मोदी जी, नड्डा जी, अमित शाह जी का धन्यवाद करते हुए हम निश्चित रूप से दिल्ली के लोगों की लड़ाई भारतीय जनता पार्टी में रह के मजबूती के साथ जो है हम लोग लड़ेंगे।
Amit Bhardwaj is getting us more details, joining us from Delhi right now. Amit, the big question here is what is Lovely getting in return, given that he had quit the BJP in 2018 and now he's gone back to the Bharatiya Janata Party. So he's returning to the party essentially. What's in store for him?
No, that's a big question, and there are a lot of rumors about it as well as to whether he will be contesting the Lok Sabha elections from the East Delhi Lok Sabha constituency, from where BJP has already fielded Harsh Malhotra. You know, it's pretty clear that as far as the BJP's strategy is concerned, almost it becomes an exceptional case where candidates are changed in this particular manner. That too, it has never been seen in the BJP that, somebody joining the party and after that the ticket getting changed in the last moment. So, very unlikely, highly unlikely that he will be contesting elections. I did ask him the straight question as to whether he is planning to contest elections from Bharatiya Janata Party in the Lok Sabha, polls, and to this he responded that had I wanted any post, I would have stuck to the post of DPCC president, and had I wanted a Lok Sabha, or had I, had greed for Lok Sabha ticket, I would have actually resigned from the party much earlier, even before the tickets were distributed. So that's an indication coming from Arvinder Singh Lovely that he's not contesting the Lok Sabha elections. So at least that's what it looks like right now. But this is going. This also means two things, Sneha. A major jolt to the Congress party in the national capital. We know for a matter of fact that Arvinder Singh Lovely, happens to be amongst very few Congress leaders in the national capital who still has his own cadre system, an organization in place, a vote bank in his own constituency, whether it be the Vidhan Sabha or the Lok Sabha area. Number one factor. Number two factor, that how does this benefit the BJP? The BJP's Delhi unit is actually looking for more talents in the national capital. It has experimented with a lot of models in the past 2 elections. Nothing has worked much for the Bharatiya Janata Party as far as the Delhi Vidhan Sabha elections are concerned. But with Arvinder Singh Lovely coming in the organization, the Delhi unit, it's certainly going to broaden the leadership in the national capital as far as the BJP is concerned.
Sure.
And it also means that a varied organizational strength as well as cadre strength, BJP will be getting benefit of that as well. Sneha.
Amit, I'm going to thank you for the moment, for getting us up to speed with that. Amit Bhardwaj reporting on that story of Arvinder Lovely, not just Arvinder Lovely. 5 other leaders of the Congress have today joined the Bharatiya Janata Party.